This week on Superlift's Off-Road Adventures, we're bringing you highlights from the 2007 Easter Jeep Safari in Moab, Utah. So buckle up and hold on tight, because it's all coming up next. For over 5 million years, the forces of nature have been colliding to mold one of the most amazing off-road paradises known to man. Spectacular sandrock craters where only the most capable rigs come out to play. Of course, I'm talking about Moab, Utah. And once a year in early April, every four-wheel enthusiast from around the world makes the sacred pilgrimage out west. With their horsepower-drawn buggies of the 21st century, these pioneers set out to conquer the trails of Moab. Today, we're wheeling with the boys from Four Wheel Parts, and they've coordinated a trail ride on one of the most coveted spots of all of Moab.
Drove 8 hours to get here.
Crazy. Moab Rim, baby.
Today we're going to run the Moab Rim Trail, and we've got a group of 20 of the best vendors, or our largest vendors at Four Wheel Parts in the Trans-American family, from Pro-Com Tires, Superlift, Poison Spider. Just a lot of great guys. We're going to have a fun day, go up, have some lunch, take some pictures, and hopefully not have a lot of carnage.
No matter where you're wheeling, safety should always come first.
Well, like I'm wearing this swimsuit top and, you know, I needed to readjust, put it that way. But I'm all good now. That's a lot of fun.
Hey Brent, why don't you fill us in on this year's Easter Jeep Safari?
The Red Rock Four-Wheelers, as you know, every year put on the Easter Jeep Safari. They do a great job of hosting the events. They lead the trails for you. They help you get your permits. They keep the trails clean, keep it, you know, the BLM land and everything open for everyone to enjoy it. So we have it for our kids and future family members.
Well, this event just wouldn't be possible without the help of the Red Rock Four-Wheelers. It's good to know that groups like this exist to ensure the trails of Moab stay open for future generations.
I welcome you all. Thank you for coming. And I'd like to acknowledge our hosts, Pro-Com Tire, if we can give them a round of applause. I'm Tony Hyman, your trail leader today. I've been doing this for like 20 years now. And the only thing I ask at everybody is let's all stay together. Keep going, keep going. You gotta have momentum. Keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Keep going.
Everyone managed to escape the rim without much carnage. That is, of course, except for Sandra.
That was cool. That was really cool. Okay, a little easier this time. Straight in the rear. There you go. Bring it up. That was awesome. She's so much fun. She is such a sport.
That was so much fun. Oh my God. I was like, it's like, no, I'm not gonna tip, I'm not gonna tip. And then all of a sudden, it's perfect.
Go, 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 go!
So Sandra, you win the Turtle Award for today.
We'd like to give a special thanks to Four Wheel Parts for inviting us out on their trail ride. Don't go anywhere. We've got more from Moab and the 2007 Easter Jeep Safari when we return.